2025 Honda Civic Hybrid versus 2024 Toyota Prius, Hyundai Elantra Hybrid, Back to the Future. 2024 Toyota Prius, Hyundai Elantra Hybrid, Back to the Future. Hybrids are hot again, but if you want 50 mpg with some razzle-dazzle, there's only one cheap and cheerful choice. Priced at $33,300, it offers a seamless blend of powertrain, suspension, and braking. With built-in Google apps and a quiet interior, it delivers an engaging driving experience. The 2024 Toyota Prius, priced at $35,737, remains a strong contender. Known for its chic design and impressive 52 miles per gallon efficiency, it offers a smooth ride. However, its interior noise and tech limitations are notable drawbacks. The 2024 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid is the value champion at $30,810. It boasts the best warranty and features like heated and cooled seats. Despite its smaller cabin and slower acceleration, it remains a logical choice for budget-conscious buyers. In terms of performance, the Civic Hybrid accelerates fastest, reaching 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds. The Prius leads in fuel efficiency with 52 miles per gallon. The Elantra offers a balanced 49 miles per gallon and a smooth ride. The Civic's tech shines with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Elantra impresses with its seamless screens and adaptive cruise control. The Prius, while efficient, struggles with screen readability and requires a subscription for navigation features.